What really happens inside your body when you eat wheat? The moment you take a bite, your digestive system goes to work. First, chewing breaks the food into smaller pieces, while saliva moistens it and salivary amylase begins breaking down starch into smaller carbohydrate molecules. When you swallow, the food travels down your esophagus and enters your stomach. Here, powerful muscle contractions mix the food with stomach acid and digestive enzymes. Proteins begin breaking down into smaller fragments, while the stomach turns the food into a semi-liquid mixture. Next, it moves into the small intestine, where most digestion and nutrient absorption take place. Pancreatic and intestinal enzymes continue breaking carbohydrates into simple sugars, including glucose. These molecules can then cross the intestinal lining and enter your bloodstream, where your body can use them for energy or store them for later. Wheat proteins are also broken down into amino acids and smaller peptides that your body can use for building and maintaining tissues. But wheat contains something you've probably heard about: gluten. For most people, gluten can be eaten without causing harm. But in people with celiac disease, gluten triggers an abnormal immune response that damages the lining of the small intestine and can interfere with nutrient absorption. And there's one more important component: fiber. Unlike starch and protein, some types of wheat fiber aren't fully digested in the small intestine. They travel into the colon, where gut bacteria can ferment them and produce compounds such as short-chain fatty acids. So is wheat good or bad? Neither. Whole grain wheat can provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, while highly refined wheat products generally contain less fiber and may be digested more quickly. Your body doesn't simply eat wheat. It breaks it down, absorbs what it can, and puts those components to work.